In this industry, we all ship millions of goods between countries every year. You may place an order online from the United States and receive a shipping notification for a package from China. Because of international transportation and connected global supply chains, you have access to products manufactured in all areas of the earth. In this complex process, the transporter is responsible for managing regulations, risks, and customer expectations. To comply with rules and regulations when moving goods to other countries, it's critical to understand how the process works. Each country has a set of international shipping laws that governs how companies operate. Most countries list the items that are allowed to travel, as well as banned merchandise that transportation companies are not allowed to move. For instance, certain plants are considered illegal to import or export. Transportation companies are responsible for understanding and enforcing regulations on importing and exporting prohibited goods. In this example, they would reject the load tender and explain the reason for the decision to their customer. International transportation enables businesses to serve customers throughout the globe. When products are manufactured in one country, businesses rely on international transit via road, rail, air, and water to fulfill their supply chain needs. Organizations that produce in one country may have international teams selling to customers all over the world. The international transportation system connects your products to your diverse customers. It allows sellers to be timely, track goods, and facilitate the continuous supply chain on the back end after production. Without international transportation, products would remain within a small radius of where they originated. International transportation allows companies to serve a wider variety of customers. For instance, in some rural areas, consumers prefer to purchase individual use packets of shampoo daily because they're easier to transport by train, bicycle, or small boat due to size. Large shampoo manufacturers, such as Unilever, ship the smaller containers of product overseas to customize the purchasing experience to match the employment and payment culture that exists. In this situation, transportation supports the far-reaching global supply chain solutions. International transportation is highly regulated by rules, regulations, and laws to protect both the shipper and transportation company. Because of the complexity of transporting products across the globe, there are some best practices to follow to ensure timely, efficient load delivery. For instance, it's imperative to remain up to date on customs regulations for the countries you're shipping to. When trucks are stuck in customs due to incorrect or lack of paperwork, this could delay a shipment for weeks, risking promised delivery dates to customers. By keeping up with laws around importing, exporting, and tax implications, this error can be avoided. When you ship products to other countries, it's critical that all information provided on the paperwork is accurate and complete. There's a standard list of data that must be filled out, and if there are any discrepancies due to a simple mistake, the shipment is potentially delayed or rejected. To avoid common errors, transportation companies have checklists that multiple employees review and sign off on before an international load leaves the dock. This gives the paperwork a second set of eyes to review the documents. You've now completed KnowledgeCity's course, Overseeing Operations and Project Management for Transportation. You learned about human resources aspects of managing transportation, including how labor and consultants are used. You gained an understanding of transportation planning and project development with emphasis on contract management, permits, and environmental concerns. Together, we took a deeper dive into electrification and other transportation technology that supports improvements for the environment, society, and the economy. We also reviewed international rules and regulations that govern transportation globally and some best practices for international loads.